Hello everyone, this is Priya from ABS department. Now we are discussing about robotic process automation. Fundamentals of RPA. Robotic process automation is a technology that uses software robots bots to automate repetitive role-based digital tasks by mimicking human interaction with digital systems. Key characteristics: non-invasive technology that works with existing IT infrastructure, operates that user interface level similar to human users, requires minimal coding compared to traditional automation, work can work 24 by 7 without break or errors. Business benefits: 40 to 70% cost reduction of the automated process, improved accuracy, enhanced compliance through the detailed audit, increased employee certification by eliminating repetitive tasks. Programming based from an RPA setting. Core programming concept in RPA. Variables store and manipulate data during automation. Control structure, decision making, and loop for repetitive tasks, exception handling, detecting and responding to errors during the execution. Data tables, managing and structured data similar to spreadsheet. RPA specific programming elements. Selectors identify UI elements for interaction. Recording capture human action to generate automation scripts. Activities pre-build function for common task. Workflow design. Visual programming using the flowcharts rather than the traditional code. The difference from the traditional programming. Low code, no code approach accessible to business users. Focus on process steps rather than the application logic. Visual development environment with text based coding. Applying RPA development methodology. RPA developing a life cycle, process assessment, identifying and organize automation opportunity, process design, document current process and design future state, boot development, build and test automation scripts, user acceptance testing, validate boot performance with the business users, deployment, move boots to production environment. Monitoring and maintenance ensure ongoing performance and handling acceptation. Implementation best practice start with simple high value process, establish center of the excellence, document standard operating procedure, create reusable components for efficiency. Architecture of the RPE core concept components. Development Studio visual environment where a developer build automation workflow. Boot coordinator, central controller, managing boot deployment, scheduling and monitoring. Boot runners, execution engineers that runs the automation process. Deployment models. Unattended automation. Boots work inside humans activated by the user action. Unattended automation. Fully automated bots running without human intervention. Hybrid automation, combination of the attended and unattended robots. Infrastructure requirement. Visual or physical machines to host boot runners. Network access to target application. Appropriate security permission. Scalable architecture to support boot fleet growth. RPA and emerging ecosystem. Integration with advanced technology, AI, machine learning, adding cognitive capability of the unstructured data and decision making, OCR, NLP, process mining, discovering and analyzing process or automation opportunity, emerging trends, hyper automation, end to end automation combined with multiple technologies, citizen developed business user creating their own automations, cloud based RPA as a service developer models, intelligent document processing, automated handling of semi structured documents, future outlook. Shift from task automation to process coordination, embedded AI capability become standard. Increase focus on business outcomes rather than the technical implementation. Growth of automation marketplace with the pre-built solution. Process suitable for the automation. Ideal process of the RPA implementation. Rule-based process with clear decision criteria. High value repetitive task. process within the structured digital inputs, stable, stable process within the minimal expectation, task requiring a multiple system interaction. Examples of application, customer onboarding or account setup, claims processing and insurance, employee onboarding, offboarding, report generation and distribution, data migration and validation, regulatory compliance reporting. Type of the RBI robot, autonomous robotic, work alongside a human in real time, triggered by a user action, ideal for front office process. Example, call center operating customer service, unattended robot, run automatically without a human intention. Scheduled or triggered by the events. Update 24 by 7 visual environment. Examples, back office process, overnight branch processing. Hybrid robots combine unattended and unattended capability. Handle complex end-to-end process. Example, customer service agent trigger robots for their background processing. For intelligent robots, incorporate AI capability. ML, NLP, OCR can process unstructured data and make decision. Example, processing free text, emails or documents. Implementing RPA business models and COE. Business models of RPA implementation. Centralized single team manage all RPA initiative. Federal central governance with distributed development. Decentralized in individually business units manage their own robots. Center of exchange. Core team RPA architects, developers, business analysis. External team process owners, IT support, compliance officer. Responsibility, governance standard, best practice training, building an RPA team, RPA sponsor, executing the campaign providing strategic direction, RPA lead, overall program management and coordination, business analysis, process identification and documentation, RPA developers, build and testing automation solutions, infrastructure support, managing the RPA environment, facilitating organization adoption. Thank you.